Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this
outdoor bench.
For over a year now, and this thing is still holding up very well and still look pretty good. Installation is very easy. All you have to do is just install the centerpiece and the two arms. It's very easy to do. Let me show you how it looks close up. I added this string on the bottom just to keep it secure from falling backwards since it's on a ledge. So you can see it's a nice material, very comfortable to sit on. You can see the sides, nice design. Here's the back of it, very comfortable. And the other side. So you could fit 3 people on this bench, and it's nice and comfortable. And you can see that there's still room here. It's a nice curve on the bottom side, so it fits your body nice and comfortable, and the back is nice. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you could buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great outdoor bench. I like how the bench is made very well and it's very easy to put together. The center back piece has a nice design to it, and this holds up very well in all the elements.